Our new 8/2012 mold is a 16-cavity hot runner tool. Parts containment for these small caps can be very challenging when just ejecting and dropping the parts to a conveyor as seen here. We designed and developed an end-of-arm tool to capture all 16 parts each shot. The majority of the components were 3D printed here at Viking Plastics. With this end-of-arm tool, parts are now ejected through 16 openings in the face of the end-of-arm tool. The parts then fall to the bottom of the tool, where they are secure while the robot transfers them to the boxing station. Once over the box at the boxing station, the pneumatic-driven trap door opens, and the parts are released into the box. The robot is interfaced to the box indexer, so part shots are counted until the full box quantity is reached. Using this method of parts handling, we minimize loss of molded parts and increase box quantity accuracy.